Hello everyone, so if you want to disable TalkBack on your Motorola Razr 50, well, first of all we have to unlock the phone in our TalkBack mode. So to do that we have to use two fingers, not just one but two of them. I will not have any sound because I got my phone connected to headphones. So now you're to enter your PIN, simply enter it. Alright, and we unlocked our phone, so we can navigate through it by using two fingers. You just see not one but two. It will not react with one finger. Now when you want to choose anything, all actions start with a single tap, and then you're confirming your choice by a double tap, just like this. So now let's scroll down to our accessibility tab. Here it is. Single tap, double tap, accessibility is opened. Now locate your screen reader tab and find your TalkBack. Now, once again, single tap, double tap after that. Scroll down with your two fingers and locate your Use TalkBack switch. Now, once again, single tap, double tap. Now confirm your choice by pressing stop, single tap, double tap, and that's it. Now our phone is operating in a normal mode. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.